first ever gift that was given to us.
Gift.
Okay. So they told me that they were going to send us 2 of their best products. I don't know what that means. So I really don't know what it means.
Guess we'll see.
How do we open this? Oh, okay.
Okay. This, I assume, is the masks.
Okay. Alright, so
Yeah.
are they different?
Dust masks. No,
Okay.
2 of the same, yeah.
Oh, okay. So,
1 for each. Great.
yeah, exactly. Is there anything else?
Mhm.
Oh no, they sent us 3. No.
No, this is dust mask with active carbon filters. This one too.
Okay.
What is the difference?
I don't know.
3D design. Oh, this might
Oh,
be
those are the filters.
filters.
I see.
Ah,
Okay.
So you can replace them.
Okay. Do you think these are? Oh no.
And this is to put around your nose.
Wait.
You have. There's some assembly required.
It's cold out here. Don't laugh at me. Okay. Basecamp M Pro mask is specifically designed for professionals who require mask wear for over 8 hours daily. That would be us.
I guess.
Okay. Filtration rate of 99.6%.
Oh, okay, so these are replacements.
Oh.
And there's already one in.
Oh, so no assembly required.
No
We're
assembly.
just stupid. Okay.
You put this on
Okay, how does this work?
like that,
Oh, you look good.
and then you strap it around. Oh, that's nifty. That hugs it, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So.
Snifty.
Oh yeah, that's a very tight fit.
Do you
Yeah,
think-
there's nothing to get through that.
Okay. I'm gonna take my hat off.
Oh,
I
it keeps
think.
my nose warm too. That's good for the
Okay,
winter.
well it's freezing cold, so. Okay, wait.
Always
Okay,
a
and then you
plus.
do this.
Oh my god, you look like a duck.
Okay, you also look like a duck, so you're the
Okay,
one.
so these are not like the most aesthetic thing, but
I don't care.
they fit very well.
Okay, I don't think that's tight enough. Also, I think my braid
It's
is.
fine. You're supposed to like lift it up a bit,
Oh.
not like parallel.
Well, no. Okay,
See?
you have a giant head, so I think I have to shrink it because of my.
I have a giant.
You do have a giant head. You know that. Okay.
Put that on. Okay, I'm gonna put this away.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's better. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Put this away.
Let's,
And I guess let's go try them
should
out.
we try these babies out?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Cold.
We've been using these guys for about 3 months now. And we have a lot of thoughts about them. First things first, they're extremely comfortable to wear.
They don't have nearly as much dust come through them. I don't feel like my nose is clogged up. Fabric around is really breathable, so
Yeah,
like you
it's
don't
super-
sweat in it.
Yeah, I didn't notice. I mean, we were using it in winter, but I
But
never
still.
felt hot while wearing them.
So they say that like they don't fog up your glasses, and that's definitely true. Because I
Yeah.
was wearing safety goggles and they never fogged up. So if you install them correctly, they do not fog up.
Yep.
So that's good for people with glasses. So the way you take them apart is like this kind of unscrews, and then you take this out, and then this is like a little like rubber sealant on this. So when you put it in, you install it here, and then you put this part through here. It comes out here. That's another thing, is this is all fabric. So I could see this being an issue, how, you know, this would tear. And then when you put this on, then it wouldn't seal perfectly. But I guess it's not a big deal because what's important is that this part here seals. But they are quite hard to replace. As you can see, there's a lot of dust in here, and that's mostly because I think we just didn't install them correctly.
Oh, this is probably, so there is a lot of dust in here. I'm pretty sure that was user error.
Yeah, I was also wearing it wrong.
But overall, I mean, these kind of came to us at sort of the perfect time because as you saw in some of the footage we included, we were working in the dustiest conditions we've worked in to date. And that's saying something because we've worked in some extremely dirty conditions with much less protection than this. And it made us feel way more secure about how like we were working.
So just in general, this fits a lot better. This is like a much nicer fit than a normal mask. And then on top of that, you have this back strap that straps in the back that you can like kind of tighten up around your neck, and that pushes it in here on the bottom. So basically you get a complete seal.
Yep.
And the other thing that's nice is you can take all of these like filter plastic things out, and then you can wash it.
Yeah, we need to do that bad.
So, because it's all fabric, you can wash it, and then you can just put these plastic parts on with a new filter, and that's it. Typically on these masks, they're not reusable. Like once the filter's clogged up, you throw it away, you get a new one. But with these ones, it does.
Well, and that's really important to us too, because we have been trying to be so reducing our waste in the entire project, and I always hated that we would have to buy new masks, especially every time that we would have a new volunteer, but now we can just wash these and give them to a fresh volunteer. So overall
for a mask, this type of mask, I think this is the best thing we've come across till now. So
thank you, Basecamp. We really appreciate it. And you guys can get your own with a 10% off discount with the link in our notes. So all right, we'll see you guys next time.